In our previous class we discussed about causes and prevention of accident. So today our topic is meaning and uses of maintenance materials. Maintenance is an activities that should be carried out on regular basis in order to keep equipment in good working conditions. The purpose of maintenance is to ensure that our equipment are in good working conditions. Importance of maintenance. It makes our equipment last long. It prevents us from danger. It prevents our equipment and materials from rustling. It beautifies our home and environment. It saves money. Ways of maintenance and materials needed for maintenance. Dusting the tables, refrigerator, fan, etc. Sweeping the floor. Mopping the floor. Polishing or cleaning the furniture. Replacing faulty electrical parts. Polishing or cleaning shoes. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.